Yeah, YouTube and Kik will be fine. Twitch said that they don't like to see cross-platform streams, so let's respect that. Let's stay with Kik and YouTube. YouTube for those who like to have better player experience, and Kik obviously for those who like Twitch style chat. So what's the plan for today? Today I am planning to do implementation for I'm planning to implement this thing, WishKit, in one of my applications. So what is that? Basically, your app users using this WishKit app, whatever, I don't know how to name that service. They can basically submit requests for features. I was thinking about, I don't like idea about kind of posting publicly roadmap for apps, because you know, if you have a roadmap, then you have expectations when something will be delivered, and I'm jumping between all these things, you know, kind of my own multiple applications, then freelancing, then content creation, yada yada, all that stuff, you know. So it's kind of tricky with roadmaps. But this thing, that's a little bit different. You can collect feedback from users, and users in the application can vote to basically to say what they would like to see in the next versions. And that, in my opinion, is amazing. That's great. Because then you get that feedback from users. And I'm planning to implement that. And also that could be like a, you know, like a feature for premium users. Basically, maybe you can do that, like, for example, those users who are paying customers have request new features, and free users can do anything, or you can vote for features, but let's say free users has less vote power and paid customers has more. Let's say if you paid customer, you have 10 votes, and if you free users, just one. Stuff like that, you know. So that's my plan for today. I already kind of logged in this WishKit dashboard, but I didn't look in documentation, anything, just basically going to try to implement that now. We'll see how that will go. I think that looks relatively easy to implement. I hope I will be able to implement it tonight in, I don't know, an hour or so or less. We'll see how that will go. But yeah, and on dashboard here you can see basically that is how it looks when you log in. And this WishKit, it's not sponsored stream or something, but for disclosure, that WishKit is that's my pal from my friend from Instagram, Martin Lasek, built this tool, and yeah, there are many indie developers who are also using it, and he just gave me access to it. But I am doing exactly what you can do for free, with free kind of access. I have that premium access. That's the only difference. And what you can see, you can basically, for free, you can add one project, you can implement those feature requests, and you have moderation tools. So you can delete or whatever, basically. We'll see how that will go. I didn't look in details at all. And for premium users, I see that there is some kind of user segmentation. Basically, you can segmented users into paying customers and free customers. I don't know how that works, but I assume you can do the segmentation even without kind of without using premium features, because you can just simply do not allow to use this feature for free customers and allow to add request features only for paying customers. So yeah, okay, whatever. Let's try to build that, and I will implement that for beginning to my habit tracking application, because that is my just playground for all the new features. If that will work fine, then I will add that to my free diving app as well, and yeah, we'll see what next. But today, plan is to add that to the habit tracking application. So let's make new branch probably for that. Hey Tox, hello, thanks for follow. Welcome to the stream. So this will be, let's say, WishKit. So we have a new branch. Let's open project and move from here. Where's the Mike's code? Hello. Too many screens. Oh, here it is. This screen. Found it. Not snorkeling. Mini habits. This one. Okay, let me check how it looks. Yeah, you can see everything just fine. Yeah, looks usable. Okay, so okay, I will open my streams on another screen to keep one eye on those. Okay, seems that stream on YouTube runs just fine, on Kik is running just fine. Good. Oh, hey Martin. Good evening. Labvakar. So, there is documentation as well, which is nice, right? So we are using SwiftUI, and let's add package to the project. Is it right, project? Yeah, it is. Let's check it if that still builds. Building, okay, so far looks nice. Probably it works. So we don't need Pixelmator, we don't need Obsidian. Let's close all, not Figma as well. Previews, drafts, I don't need any of those. Let's free a bit of resources. Terminal, probably also not needed. Okay, it's installing, so it works. Hey Eric, hello. I'm doing great, thank you. Hope you are good as well. We just watched Guardians of Galaxy 3 with daughter. And yeah, she went to bed and I doing my late work session. Okay, that works. Oh, actually I need fix those links here. Oh. Nice. Interesting. Seems that redirection works for links. I don't remember that I changed them. It seems the domain forwarding started to work on its own. Give me a second. Sleepybytes.com. Maybe not. Have a question if you might in the company you work. If you in the company you work, was there a moment company thought to go cross-platform React Native? No. No, not a single idea. Huh. Interesting. Link redirect doesn't work. Maybe I have... Do I have Ivers Meyer's domain link in the apps? Interesting. For you, redirecting works. What the hell? What the hell? I see that here in the application that also was working. Okay, let's do new... How you make that new incognito? New private window. New private window. sleepybytes.com. Maybe something with local hashing or something. Huh. Okay, good. Then, yeah, interesting. It says connection is not safe. Okay. Yeah, there probably is some HTTPS. Kind of works. Okay, whatever. So it works strangely, but whatever. Okay, back to the thing. What I was telling before? Yeah, cross-platform. No, application on what I am working as a freelancer, it's way too complex to have it in React Native. And there are a lot of things. There is hotel booking. There is posts like how you name that application? Forgot. Instagram. Yeah, something like local small Instagram, you know, with posts. There is, I don't know, a lot of different things. It's kind of no. That's there wasn't an idea to use it, but we are looking forward to use how it was named, Kotlin mobile multi-platform. Yes, KMM. That is kind of cross-platform development, but we are planning to use it just for some business logic library. That's it. Not really kind of moving completely over to it. Okay, so we need to add library. Oh, I saw so many libraries here. Interesting. Telemetry client, device kit, yeah, remember, revenue cat, sure. Firebase, okay, yeah, I need all of them, all correct. Let's add one more. Oi, not here. Oh, I hate that my light's starting to flickering. Okay, I will try to make it less bright and maybe that will help. It somehow probably overheats on those 100%. Am I still visible? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. HTTPS strict mode enabled in Brave browser. Yeah, okay. Thank you, good to know, yeah. Hey Vadim, hello, good evening. Yeah, happy Friday indeed. Okay, let's add that library. So we need this, basically, documentation is here. So WishKit dependency, adding that. Here it is, setup index. Yeah, let's add this package. Hey Martin, hello. So Martin Lasek is the author of this product. Martin, meanwhile, I am streaming on YouTube as well. Just Kik is my kind of starting point always, but currently this one I am restreaming on YouTube as well, and I will keep it later as a published video. Saying for those who like YouTube player better. Hey Ilya, hello. Do you have Notion Premium? No, I don't. I don't have Notion Premium. Okay, so how we are doing that? We are implementing package, then we importing WishKit. Oh, we need APK. Okay, so that's on startup. Probably we can do that in the curious to see how smooth integration process will be. Yeah, I think that could be. I kind of didn't look in anything else. I just kind of jumping into that and trying to figure out that on the fly. We'll see how easy or hard that will be. Yeah. Okay, so we need WishKit here. Oh, import WishKit here. Okay, let's see it right. Import WishKit sharded? No, WishKit. It should be WishKit. Init, here we have init. So I need APK. Okay, that's super top secret, right? Okay, how was our APKs here already kind of. Okay, let's make it a little bit more kind of secret. Let me find my APK first. So I'm going probably in the project. Okay, maybe let's take a look in documentation first. Where can we find that APK? Do I have it? You can find it in admin dashboard. Okay, we have information about that. Let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's do that secretly, maybe in settings. General, profile, password, no, not that. That should be somewhere in project, right? I found APK, nice, that was easy. APK found, let's copy paste it here. I like to have some config file with APKs and stuff like that, but let's leave it kind of messy. Just in init. Okay, so now use the view wherever you like. So that was init. I did init in my app file with APK, and then we need just to show it as WishKit navigation. That's it. Okay, that looks kind of very straightforward. I'm thinking about putting it somewhere in settings probably. Did I start that up? Yeah, I started. Yeah, here it is. So we have, okay, that looks messy because we have two, that's kind of work in progress, one calendar, another calendar. I remove one for kind of releasing. I think that could be somewhere in settings. Feedback. Yeah, I have feedback. That is just email form. That will not work here. Okay, I will add that now on the top of support kind of list. I think that will work for just initial test. Okay, settings view, that is here. Profile image, where I have that list. Active habit. Okay, here it is, this list. Maybe I joined it too late. Could you explain in 2 words what is WishKit? Unfortunately, haven't heard more. Okay, one more time. I said that on beginning, and we'll say shortly. WishKit basically allows you to make screen similar to something like that. Can we zoom? Which was zoom? now, yeah, that. So something like that. Basically, you can make screen where you show where users can add kind of and submit new feature requests, and then other users can vote on them. And you have backend where you can see those submitted kind of requests for features. Here is demo. That is kind of demo feature request. And you can see here is all approved, there are pending, and implemented feature requests and rejected feature requests. Basically, you can keep tracking user requests. Currently, I'm doing that in Notion. Basically, if I'm getting email or something else from users, and then I'm just tracking those like a task in Notion, but that give you tool where to track that. But more importantly, that is kind of easy way for app users to submit feature requests and also vote on submitted feature requests. And that gives that feedback that you see which one is kind of, for me that voting is most important, because I can collect those feature requests in different ways as well. Emails most active users are writing and so on, but in this case you can publicly show those already kind of active kind of requests, and then users can vote on them, and you see which one is most requested and so on. That part of feedback for me looks most important and really good to have. What do you prefer, SwiftUI or UIKit? For personal projects, SwiftUI. I don't mind to use UIKit sometimes. That is more effective, and I use that in freelance projects. Can you give me a brief explanation why it matters when we create real-world iOS apps? So, if you are talking about, let's compare with public transport. We started with just walking, then we started to ride on horses, then we invented wheel, and so on. So, UIKit was before SwiftUI. Hey, Brazil, hello. Yeah, Vadim, that is a really nice feature. Hey, Paul, hello. So SwiftUI is a new way to build user interface for applications. UIKit is Vue that we used before. So here we will have, I think navigation link will work. For label, I will write, let's say, feature requests. I can't type today. Fiature request. Feature request, system image, what that could be? Something like, let's go to SF symbols. Come on. SF symbols, here it is. Something like speaking person, something like that. Do we have something like speaking person? No, then there, nothing. Light bulb, something like that, maybe. Now let's go with that. Do I have filled them? Mostly no. Okay, let's go with this one, light bulb max. Okay, let's copy name. So, and let's check how we are doing. What was in documentation here. So, body, WishKit view, viz navigation. What does viz navigation do? If one of parent uses navigation view, you won't need to call navigation. Okay. Gotcha. Probably we just can call WishKit view probably. So this will be, I don't know if that will work. WishKit view. Yes, view, probably. I don't know. Do we need view here? Probably we need it. I don't know, let's try to build. In theory, that could... okay, of course. Probably we should import WishKit, right? Sure thing. Why it offers WishKit sharded? We need WishKit instead of WishKit sharded. Okay. Import. What did I did wrong? No such model like WishKit. How we imported? Import WishKit. Yes. Import WishKit. Typo? I don't see typo. How? I guess this could be Xcode glitch, I don't know. Let's clear all issues and build again. Sometimes shit happens. Yeah, that looks like that it clearly is Xcode glitch. Shit like that happens all the time because we imported that WishKit just right here, so and that was working just fine. Why it doesn't work in settings, I don't know. But that is not first time when I see glitches like that, and you know, not a big deal. We're doing when shit like that happens, you just clean build folder. If you want to be double sure that everything will be fine. Okay, you don't know if everything will be fine, but if you like to have your best chance, then you delete all derived data. How you can see if one is iOS developer, you probably have derived data shortcut in your file, in your Finder. Just delete all of that. Reopen Xcode and hope for the best. Let's build it already. Okay, we are fetching packages, that's fine. Firebase is super heavy. Check out how many packages we have. Basically, that's Google app, yada yada. Basically, Firebase adding a lot of stuff. That is one of the reasons why I'm not super happy using Firebase in projects. Generally, I like it as a tool, but it is so freaking heavy. Could be easier to less heavy. You should be able to import WishKit. Yeah, definitely. That's that looks like some Xcode glitch. Let's see if I will be able to build it and run now. Hey, Andre. Sorry, is music okay? It kind of feels a little bit loud for me, but you tell me. Is YouTube stream currently running? Yes, it is running, and I see that we have 30 viewers on this YouTube and 15 on Kik. Kik, you're behind. How? Why? If you change something in your app and push to production, how much does it take for Apple to validate in the store? Depends. Sometimes that is just a few days, I wanted to say few hours, but I saw cases when it is more than that. Strange, we're still getting this error, no such model like WishKit. So that's amazing presentation error. Why it's suggest me to add WishKit sharded? Let's see, just in case. Maybe that will work. No, it doesn't. Setting views is in different target. That's good idea, but I don't think so. Because I don't have Apple Watch app, nothing. I have widget target, but that's widget extension, so no. Okay, let's try, let's remove it and add again. So I don't know. That can or cannot help. WishKit iOS. So we have it. I am adding it to the mini habits add-on project. Up to the next major version. That's fine. Add package. WishKit library, yes, let's add it. Okay, let's try to clean and build again. If that will not work, then we'll see what else we can do. Clean. Settings view. At least we don't have error now. Let's try to build. Okay, here we have. What the hell? Okay, let's try just for experiment. What will happen if I will add it in another view? Let's say about view. Same shit or different? Yeah, same shit. Why? How? What the hell? What the hell? Okay, let's add it back. Let's go to the build settings. I wonder if you need to see it under the libraries section where it says frameworks and libraries. Yeah, let's check. That was where it is here. Settings capabilities. Or build settings, or where it is here. Target dependencies, no, not that. I forgot where that was. General, maybe. Here. Wait a minute. Project, general. Oh, here, yeah. Device kit. Yeah, I don't see it here. Frameworks, libraries. Telemetry desk, revenue cut. Why it is not here? If I will add, can I find it? WishKit, here it is. Add. Okay, let's try to build now. Now it's building. I don't know. Yeah, it should be added by Xcode. I just updated Xcode today on the morning, whatever is latest and greatest version of the Xcode. About Xcode 15.01, so I would blame Xcode, yeah. Read the package, you miss selection target part. Not sure. Always wanted to learn Swift for iOS development. It does look fun and adventure. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, it was target. I'm experiencing. Do you use ChatGPT for development? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I use it quite often. Okay, let's go to the settings. Here I have my feature request. Let's see. Oh, it kind of works. That's cool. So I have a glitch here. That probably is plus button. Hello, but be careful almost. Okay, that I will need to look into the configuration for that plus button. So nice, here is no feature requests yet implemented and approved. Here is this one. Nice. And what can I do here if I will click on it? Interesting. Here is hello world. I can write comment, test, comment. Let's see what happened. Comment. I hope they will not appear here. They are visible here. Yeah, that's... I'm kind of... that comment section, I like that you can write comments, but I don't like that comment is visible here, because I can write here, I don't know, I can write here something, you know, whatever. Hate speech or whatever. And that will be visible in the application for everyone. Maybe there is some kind of comment moderation. I didn't add pending state. Yeah, there should be for comments. In my opinion, there should be pending state. Okay, let's go and look on backend how that looks. So here is backend. Probably I need to refresh the screen. Yes, here I have. I can see 2 comments here. Yeah, here are the comments. What can I do with them? Probably nothing. I can write comment as well, but I can't delete them. I can delete them. So if I see hate speech, I can delete it. Yeah. So I can say, I can give feedback to Martin immediately. Yes, Martin is in the chat as well. So I like this feature to add comments, but I will not use it in the application if there is no kind of some kind of moderation. Why I'm saying that? Because I think for this application, for my habit tracking application, this application has very few users. That is not kind of very popular, and users are, I don't know, mostly, I don't know, geeks, something from, I would say, normal people. But I was working before in chat application as a freelancer, and that was anonymous chat. Just imagine what kind of content was generated there. And Apple rejected, not even rejected, removed the application from the App Store because users generated content. And yeah, and they basically removed the application from the App Store and asked it to implement moderation tools, and then only added it back. So I'm not brave enough to allow users to just add any text in my applications. So I think that could be kind of valid feedback for you. But yeah, I will hide those comments. That probably somewhere in settings? No. Habits? No. Projects? Oh. Settings maybe? Show revenue indicator for each. What? What is revenue indicator? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, later. That's config, WishKit, config, comment sections, hide. Okay, that is configurations. Okay, got it. Basically we have little bit, something little bit on the backend, but that's more for information, and all the config is more in here in the project. What are you using WishKit core? No, never heard about that. WishKit, I will use it. I'm not using it yet. I'm just implementing it. So basically, when you open my application, you will be able to see feature request. And there you will be able to add feature. I need to fix this plus button, but basically you can add comment here. Apple Watch app. Oh my gosh, cool. Do I have Latvian language? Why it's trying to fix my... Yes. Let's switch to English. Let's say could be cool to have it. Something like that. Email. Oh, interesting. Email. That is good. That there is email for feedback. That is I like that. I wonder how much emails in a day this test at test.com receiving. Successfully created. Okay. Could be cool to disappear, but probably there is some callback which I can handle. What will happen if I will edited? Interesting. That will be duplication or... Oh, the duplication. Yes, it is built in the application user feedback. Sure, you can ask kind of users to write emails and so on, but if you have tool built in, that's great, and then you also can upvote things, you know. Oh, that's super dope. That there is built-in controller about you can only vote once. That's amazing. I don't need to handle that. Yeah, and when you open it again, then it's cool. Yeah, probably this is my fault. Maybe I need to handle callback here. Let's see. WishKit supports email. Let's see. Configuration. Config status badge. What is that? Okay, implementation. It was super easy peasy. Load that. Configuration. Hide command controls. We will need to hide that. Expand. Okay. Show the status badge of a feature request. Pending, approved, and so on. Okay, let's add that. I guess that we do that. Okay, let me. I will hide APK first. Do I have constants? Yes, I have constants. Let me move APK to the constants. Static. I will hide that. Tas būs WishKit. Okay. Okay, that is going here. I will share screen in a minute. One key and another telemetry key also is going to the constants. It's kind of not a big secret, but it is a little bit, and maybe we don't need really share API keys on stream. Okay, another key, static let telemetry key. Okay. I mean, Thanks for follow. Coolmust also missed your follow. Welcome to the stream. So we need keys here. So then we adding, it was config probably, already forgot. Config? Configuration? No, constants. Constants API telemetry key. And this will be also constants WishKit key. Okay. So let's do that config thing here. Let's do this thing, show that status badge, I mean, not bag, and just to see how it looks. Konstanz is city in Germany. Nice. Segment and control displays. What's that? I don't know. Remove drop shadow. I like drop shadows. Comment section. Okay, we are hiding this one until there will be comment moderation. I like options to add comments. That's amazing. Basically, you can get feedback from other users on features which are already requested, but as I said, I do not feel good about allowing to post anything without moderation. Setup looks cleaner. See, Paul, you was worried about that and streaming in general. Oh, that's interesting. This playlist is not ended yet, but for some reason it's stuck in this song, on this song. And if I'm kind of clicking on next one, it keeps moving. I don't know, weird. Whatever. Okay, so what I added, let's see. Let's rebuild project to see how it works, but I have to say that implementation is super easy. Very easy. You worried? Yeah, I see. Seasonal Christmas beer. It's too early for Christmas beer already, you know, my friend. Okay. That's interesting. I think that badge kind of, it looks nice and also informative. It just works. Yeah, it is, yeah. I like how it works, yeah. Okay, and now I can't do anything here because section for comments is hidden. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, do we have any callback or something on the submit button? Maybe great beer. Yeah, that's. Are you using Spotify platform? No, I canceled my Spotify subscription. Actually, I'm using Epidemic Sound because this music, which you hear now, I'm paying for it to be able to play it on live streams using videos and so on. I can use it on Instagram, on YouTube, basically everywhere. No call. We need callback, Martin. You know why? Because check out, here is bug report. I will be lazy. I will just show you how can you create bugs and why we need callback. Because here, if I will say another feature, and here we will say test one, and if I'm hitting save, it is added, right? So what next? I don't know what I should do next. I will try maybe one more time. I need to do save. I don't know what's happening. Why it doesn't work? So nothing happens, right? it's added. Oh, probably I should go back. I'm going back and then I see, oh, holy moly, I added 3 features instead of 1. It was supposed to dismiss. Yeah, it didn't. So that's maybe, I don't know, maybe problem is that I'm putting it in navigation. How I'm implementing it, basically I have what I did, settings, view. Here it is. Basically I'm opening it as navigation link with destination and yeah, nothing happens basically on that save button. Callback or binding, life's greatest question. Yeah, if that will be my own kind of code, I will just add binding, but here we need callback to be able to do something on that callback. Basically on callback you can get, you send also kind of that success or failure and error, and that's it. And then you can dismiss the screen, do whatever, show fireworks, do whatever you like to do. Customize, show customized thank you message, something like that. What application I'm making? That is very simple habit tracking application. We have just calendar with dates when I executed habit, and that's it. Very simple application. I built it mostly for that to have widget for habit tracking, and that's kind of main feature that I use for this app. If I will add widget on the screen, habit, and that looks like that basically. I have that on screen and yeah, it works. And yeah, I can use that widget on my Mac as well, because Sonoma, finally I learned the name of macOS. macOS Sonoma supports widgets as well, so I have that widget on my Mac screen as well. And that's kind of cool feature. I've seen that on Instagram. Yeah. Exactly. So that up. Okay, what else we can do here? So theming. This is for add button, segment and control, and vote button. WishKit, primary color. Okay. And I will use for primary color. Let's close that. I will go WishKit. I will go with can I use it? Wait a minute. Habit color is string. How did I use it? I already don't remember. Maybe color named? Color. I don't remember already how you use colors. Habit color, probably like that. Will that work? Let's check. If you're making update on app, how you show what updates have been done for user. I don't really. There is currently that tip kit, and I'm planning to use that tip kit. But that's about it. But currently I do not do much. I don't remember. What I did last time? Probably nothing. I don't know. I for this application, I do not do kind of big changes lately. For my freediving application, I did whole user interface rewrite, so everything was kind of changed. That doesn't make much sense to write something, you know, specifically. And now I'm starting to add new features. So this is a nice example. We will add feature and we should show that somehow, right? And yeah, I'm planning to try to use tip-kit, which is nice now new feature in iOS 17, especially for that. Teaming, config buttons. Config button, that's fine. I like how it looks. Text color, fine. There was something about spacing. Button padding, so I need this one, large. I think we need large because I have tab bar in the application and that's getting in a way. Let's see. Maybe this bottom padding will fix that. Yeah, that's actually super easy to implement. Yeah, now it looks nice. Now padding is perfect. And yeah, that's just list that will go. Okay. Okay, what else we have here? Comment section hidden. Drop shadow. I like drop shadows. What is that segmented control? I don't know. We'll see. Pablo Escobar. Hello. There is even more configuration you can explore with auto completion. Okay. Okay. How much users paying per week, per month, revenue indications. Show how much user is paying in your app. I don't see, I do not understand use case for this, whatever, later. Weekly, monthly and yearly payments. Yeah, just for feedback. I do not from here. That is documentation, of course, but okay, there is example project. We can check that to see, but I don't understand this part. Revenue indication. I do not see why to show that on them. Yeah, I would like to have that users who are paying for app has stronger kind of vote. It's kind of, yeah, I understand that you can show that, I understand that probably you can show basically how much user, on request you can show how much user is paying for months, for year or what else not. But I would like to know, I would like to kind of see that like that for example paying users have more than one vote. Basically paying customers can vote, I don't know, 5, for example, configurable amount of votes, let's say 5 votes on feature, and free customers just 1, something like that. But that's probably, that is not implemented exactly like that, but generally solvable through this segmentation. You can see who is asking what. Can you go dashboard and hover over the dollar amount at least? Yes, I must plan it to go to the dashboard. Yeah, I saw this one. Show revenue indicator on each feature request. So I think that shows that basically paying customers there are, for example, 9 or 3 paying customers, and that is revenue generated by those users who are voting. I think that works like that. The idea was that you can prioritize features that have only 2 votes, but 10 versus feature with 7 votes and 0. Yes, I got it. Yeah, I see. Yeah, that's perfect. That's what I wanted to see, and if I see that on even just on backend, that's perfect. Total revenue of users that voted for this. That's perfect feature. That's what I wanted to see. Basically, who is kind of voting with wallet. So yeah. So what do you imagine? Something like that. If user already have an app and paid for the app, then she widget update on email when opting for the first time, then update can. Wait a minute. If user already have the app and paid for the app, will get update on email, or when opening the app first time after update, the card will shows up. Yeah, that's how we implemented information about new features in my freelance project. Sure, that could work. Yeah. Yeah, this is super cool idea. Yeah, this is super cool idea for indie devs. Yeah. And author of this project, Martin Lasek, is in Kik chat. Yeah. So if you have any questions to the author, you can feel free to to put him on hotspot and ask questions. Okay, so show revenue indicator. Will it show it just in dashboard, or okay. Let's try to refresh. Am I hiding it from dashboard, or am I hiding it from? No, in project we don't have money here. Yeah, we don't have it, so it's fine. I don't need it there also. I didn't save. Okay, I see. We need to save. So okay, and it is removed here, and yeah, I would like to see it here. Send email on users, create new feature request. Okay, let's leave it, enable it for now, but generally it should go. I didn't save. Yes, I didn't save. Save. Okay, I like it. Feature requests. Oh, we have here feature requests as well. That's nice. Placeholder text. Show user ID, submitted feature request statistics. I'm allowed to see how many times WishKit in my app was viewed. Oh, that can be done by any analytics. I don't know. Do you really need that? But whatever. I see that is in progress. 6 upvotes. Why? You can monitor each and any screen without support in API. What's the point to do that in? Okay, maybe that's nice to have that all in one place. So it's not hurts. Work in progress bubble. I don't know. Notify user who voted. This is kind of nice feature. Maybe. But how you will notify? Email? Maybe. E-notification in app? That could be tricky. Do you think that junior devs will be replaced by AI? No. I don't think so, but I think that it is harder to get junior dev work. Merge feature request. It will be awesome if you could merge duplicated feature requests. Yes, that sounds good idea for me as well. Can I upvote? Yes, I can. Slack notifications can't care less. Mobile, yeah, mobile side doesn't work well, but I don't think I will use it on mobile. Notifying comments. Trello export, why? Okay. Referral program. Yeah, this kind of cool feature. I didn't ask that, but I kind of was thinking that could be cool to have a referral program. And you can use third-party kind of referral programs. There was that Lemon Squeezy, or what else? Not, but probably then you need to use their payment system. I don't know, yeah, whatever. Feature request grouping. That's probably duplication. There was merging feature request, add image to comments. Yeah, imagine that. Just imagine that. I am already scared to allow to add text to the application. Just imagine if you will be able to add images. That is just a question of time when you will have dick pictures in your app. I don't know, those brave souls who are ready to add such feature in their app. Really brave souls. Is there any possibility that after you upload updated app to the App Store, then automatically user get information about that one? What? User get information about that on email or even notification? No. Automatically from App Store? No. You can build, okay, let me say so. You can build your own automated processes and do automatically whatever you like. But if you're asking about are there tools in App Store which are doing that? No. Following your process and feedback, I really enjoy hearing your opinion. Oh, nice. Appreciate feedback, and I'm happy that if this sounds helpful. Okay, so basically this could be almost like shippable thing. I just don't like the duplication currently that generates bugs. Can I add some? Then I should go into the Martin's code probably to fix that. And then I should do some pull request. With fix, I don't think I can fix that without going into the WishKit code. Probably no. Here is that WishKit code. Where is that save button? Update name, send user backend. Oh, whatever. I'm not going to do anything in that code anyways. That also could be, Martin, that also could be, let me say so, that could be also just simulator glitch. Let me test that on device. If I will find my lightning cable. Here it is. Found it. I will test that quickly on... that happens often, you know. That happens often. That you get simulator glitches. And especially we just have updated Xcode, updated new iOS version. I will install on device. And we'll see if I will have that bug. Because if it is dismissing that screen, then perfect, I don't need anything else. I don't even need that callback. If other request section has a callback for closing the view, you don't need to check if you're still on the same request causing duplicates. Yes, sure, but it should dismiss that screen. as Martin said, that screen should be dismissed automatically, so you need nothing. This is something I can use in my apps. Sure, you should. Why not? Coolmost. And it is free to use. Yeah, there is paid version as well, but... Okay, waiting for preparation. The callback might be optional. Hey Ivan, hello. I'm curious then how user will get information about update. What update are you asking, Vadim? If you are asking about update of the application in the App Store, they don't. They are. If application is updated, most of the users have getting automatically that update, and that's it. And most of them don't even notice that application is updated. That is one of the reasons why that doesn't make much sense to write release notes in the App Store, because no one reads them. Yes, few geeks do that. Maybe you, maybe I, but even I have automatic updates, automatic updates enabled for the applications, and I don't go and read release notes for each and every app. But there are many applications. I will suggest, for example, Drafts app. Go and look. Drafts application, it is nice application. You can find use cases for it, and it's running. Is it building? Let's kill it. And the Drafts application has nice what's new screens in the application. Basically, when you opening application after update first time, there is just pop-up screen with what shows what's new in the application. But that's up to you to create those screens and implement. Basically, you can read locally which version of application do you have, and basically, let's say, easy way how to implement that. Make save kind of current application version in the I don't know, user defaults, for example. When application starting, compare current app version with latest saved. If it is changed, just show pop-up screen with what new, and then you can go deeper. You can show what's new in last version, or you can take a look which was previous version, because maybe user updated, jumped over 2 versions or what else not, but that's overkill already. And then you can kind of show what's new screen between multiple versions. Also, you can show, instead of pop-up screen, you can kind of open link. You can send user to your web page, and you can kind of show, I don't know, way more information there. So there are many ways how to do that, but basically that's up to you to take care about that, because Apple will not do that. Maybe he's asking how to tell the users that created the request to yeah, I understand, yeah. Especially if they paid money. Okay, they're not paying money for features, they are just paying customer. It might be nice to let them know how their feature request is being released. There is an option to leave email when you're adding feature request, and then you can handle that. You can send email notification to the user. Just curious how much unified memory is used at current moment on your devices. Let's see. Currently, my memory, what is used, how much? Here it is. Can you see that? No, you can't. That's hidden behind the chat. But basically, we have 7 gigabytes swapped. Simulator, it's only simulator already eats 6.8 gigs. Chrome 4 gigs. Xcode 3.7 gigs, and so on and so on. Basically, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM in my MacBook, and it is not enough. And I don't know. I'm planning to update my MacBook when M3 will be released. I don't know, someday next year. But then I don't know how much memory do I need. Definitely I need at least 32 gigs of RAM, maybe 64, I don't know. But I can't survive on 16 gigabytes of RAM, so that's fine. Okay. Launching application on device, we'll see if that bug is presented on device as well. I will not be surprised if that is simulator only. Oh, interesting. Why I have only hello world? And that dismissed it as well. What's going on here? I have only one. Yeah, I have only hello world here. Okay. Ah, because those are pending. Yeah, those are not approved. Yeah, I see. Okay, let's write test. Description, test 1 again. Save. Okay, I have info user successfully created. Okay button. No, it did not disappear. It's still here. And I can do test 2. Yeah, you barely see it. So I can kind of edit it, hit save again. Then I have OK button, and it is still here. And if I'm going back, I have 2 feature requests. It's not a deal breaker because those are still pending requests, and that those will be visible for request author only, and then on the back end you basically will be able to see that, okay, it seems that those are duplications. It's let's say not super critical but annoying thing. So now I see that I have kind of those are clearly kind of duplications. I'm kind of just deleting this one, and that one, for example, I'm changing from pending to approved. I want the keyboard. You did a contest for a while back. Oh, Kulmos, that's you. Nice. Wait a minute, I did 2 contests. Did you get MX Keys Mini? Actually, yeah, happy to hear, yeah. Happy to hear that you like the white one. Nice, yeah. That's I did another kind of giveaway. So with that keyboard, it was I was kind of scared how much that shipping will cost. It wasn't crazy. It was something like 19 euros or something like that. It was fine. Then I did another giveaway, and I was thinking, okay, I will do that smarter to do not. Oh, no worries. That's totally fine. I expected that there will be shipping costs. That's fine. Then I did another kind of giveaway, and second time I was thinking, okay, I don't want to deal with kind of shipping costs, and if that shipping will be, I don't know, that shipping was kind of close, you know. I was thinking, if the shipping will be, I don't know, to US, it will cost, I don't know, no head, leg and hand, you know. So I was thinking, I will do smarter. I will do a giveaway for 250 euros keyboard, but winner should pick keyboard in the store. I said, okay, that will be iQnix store. You just pick whatever keyboard you like, and I will buy it for you. Guess what? That guy who won it, basically, that there wasn't possibility to send it to that guy throws from that iQnix store. Basically, he is from Ukraine and living in the small village next to not so big city. Basically, no chances to send there. I said, okay, you just choose any local shop and choose keyboard what you like in that, let's say, 200-250 bucks price range, whatever keyboard you like. Okay, he chose it basically one later, second, internet shops, for some reason, internet shops in Ukraine wants you to be from Ukraine to buy something. In one you had to basically have mobile phone verified, and that should be local mobile phone, basically Ukraine mobile phone. That was basically boomer, no way. Second one was kind of working. I was able to make kind of a purchase, and I got kind of, but purchase process was failed always. I tried to pay with Apple Pay, with Google Pay, with credit card, nothing did work. So basically I was lucky that this guy kind of agreed to just create PayPal account. He didn't have it, and I just sent money in PayPal account, and that's it. So probably those was my 2 and only giveaways that I ever did. It's kind of annoying. Is stream lagging? Yes, it is. Sorry for that. I don't know what's going on. Oh, seems that we have connection problems. I hope it will fix itself in a moment. I don't know what's going on and why. Yeah, it's lagging right now. It's lagging right now big time. Hopefully. Oh, it should become better. Let me see. I saw Steam open it. Maybe Steam just decided to download some update or what. But it seems that it is better already. It should be fine. It should be fine already. Just bought M2 Max Studio instead of base M1 Air. I think that was great choice, yeah. No lags now. Yeah, it should be fine now. I hope it will stay fine now. It's back. Okay, good. Oh, white. Again? No, everything looks green on my side. Should be good. Okay, let's change this to, let's say, implemented. Oh, it's moving. No, all should be here. Okay, here it is implemented. Let's delete those. Test Apple Watch, let's say approved. Oh, we already have one approved. Okay, and let's make one. This, let's say, is rejected. So we have blue, yellow, green, red. Okay. And we have approved. Let's delete that hello world. Pending, implemented, rejected. Okay, so let's open simulator. Settings, future request. Approved one, implemented one. Nice. That works. That works. Actually, I don't know. I can probably ship it. I just need to hide. Oh, actually, those are cool features. Now I see, for example, I have that pending feature kind of request. This one, we have one pending feature. Oh, you don't see screen, right? Yeah. Here we have just one pending feature request, and if I'm kind of going to this user on simulator, I do not see it here, that pending one, because this user didn't create it. And that is cool, because if I will kind of if I will write some dumb stuff here, or hate speech, we need description as well. Okay, description is mandatory. So then this thing will be visible only for the author of this request. And if I'm refreshing here, yeah, this is not visible here. And here I will open and we'll see that, okay, I see. Also, you know, I see that, I don't know, no, I know. There is user linked to the feature request. That's clear because we see that user who created this pending request, that user see it, other users doesn't see them. I will say that it could be useful. I don't know, that is theoretically. I will not write that as a feature request, but I will take a look. For example, if someone will spam this kind of dumb requests, there is user ID. If someone will spam with dumb feature requests or just write some, I don't know, hate speech here or what else not, could be cool to ban that user from possibility to send feature requests. But I do not see that as a really possible problem. That's more like theoretical kind of problem with moderation, because you have to process all those requests, you know, that kind of take time. Why do you choose Sony headphones? They are good and priced reasonably priced and good. Okay, let's delete everything. Actually, I will add feature request here. We need at least one to show for users how it looks, to kind of motivate them write feature requests. Let's say what I would like to have: show past months. Whatever, let's say like that. Show past months, show history maybe. Can I edit actually? No, I can't. Can I? Yeah, I can. Show. Okay, I will stick with that, whatever. Did that automatically approve it? I somehow missed it. Probably if I am writing it, it's automatically approved. Oh, and it appeared here? No, it didn't. Something else happened. I need to refresh it, and after I refresh it is show path months. I will vote on it. And here we need refresh screen to see that update. Yeah, that works nicely. Amazing. Yeah, Martin, if you are in the chat, I love. That's really it's simple actually. And simple in good way, not complicated, easy to implement. I like that implementation was just dumb easy. You just drop it in the project, it just works. It's great. And yeah, I don't know how that works if you have huge amount of requests. Do I have many rejected? I deleted them. Yeah, I just deleted them. I think some kind of, if you have big application and plenty of those requests, that could be a little bit hard to kind of manage it, but that again, it's kind of just theoretic problems. Okay, what's contact? Support at WishIO. Ah, just send feedback. And where was that roadmap? Dashboard, no. Settings? No. Oh, I missed it. There was somewhere. Ah, feature request here. Yeah, right. Currently I get not when there is a new wish, but not when there is new comment. Yeah, I'm not using comments yet, but oh, I should write comment. Comment moderation. Pending. Can user edit comment? I don't know. See and edit comment. If it, pending. Pending. Comment author can see and edit comment if editing is supported. After approval, editing is disabled. Comment. Auto approve and admin creates. Yeah, that's a good feature. Hey Palkin, hello. How are you? I'm doing great, thank you. Oh, greetings from Peru. Hello. Peru in the chat, nice. After editing comments, after approval, blah blah blah, and everyone can see the comment. So other users could upvote comment as well. That's kind of optional thing. Basically, someone commented and I agree. Oh yeah, that's indeed. So I can kind of upvote it, but you can always just add comment. Yeah, I don't know. Those comments, that is nice feature because there could be some images. I will download this. Comment moderation, okay. Yeah, images, that is very... I will think twice, Martin, also about that adding image support, because yeah, you have to host images, you know that, right? But then you need to moderate those images as well. So what will happen if user will post corn and admin will approve that? Okay, probably that's not your problem. That's kind of a problem of the app author. But if those images are hosted on your kind of server, then you can get not so cool images on your site, you know, all that stuff. I don't know. WishKit, third party. Yeah, WishKit is a third party thing, yeah. For 144p stream, looks like you can ask your provider about connection speed. What do you mean about that? Stream looks kind of greenish. I don't know. Speed test. I'm on Wi-Fi on my Mac. Oh, it's 27 megabits. It's brutal. Okay, it's not so bad. Mac is on Wi-Fi, but streaming PC is connected with cable, but connected with through repeater. So it's kind of, I don't know. Let's see what I have on streaming PC. I still didn't bother to fastcom. What do I have here? Oh, it's brutal, it's slow, it's 10. Why? What's going on? Yeah, it's even slower here. 12 megabits per second, 16, 17, 18, 20. It's, I don't know why. Maybe Friday night, maybe, I don't know, somehow that. Log again. Yeah. Fixed the dismiss bug. Oh, nice. Amazing. That's great. So probably I should wait for update then. And then actually I can commit those changes already, but I will wait with release later. But I am happy about this feature, and I will definitely use it. I will definitely use it, and yep, that's dope feature. So I think I'm actually done with programming for tonight. It was how long it took. It was super fast. Stream is going for how long? I do not see where it is. Whatever. Oh, Kickstream is up and running for hour and 45 minutes. YouTube stream started a bit later, so I don't know, maybe we spent our implementation. It was super fast, super easy, great feature. Yeah, it's lagging. Yeah, something with connection. So yeah, thank you, Martin. It is really cool feature, and I was kind of thinking about that. I was just few days why I answered so why I was so keen to implement this. I was just on previous day I was thinking that, oh, that could be, actually I wasn't thinking, I was discussing with my one local friend who also kind of started to build iOS applications, all that kind of monetization. And he said, oh, I need to add way more features and then I will start monetization. I said, why? Just, I don't know, just add that paywall and add just at least one feature. I don't know, just write down support application because I don't know, maybe you will learn something, you know. And this also could be nice kind of possibility. Those who are paying customers, they can kind of request new features, and free users just using whatever application. I could, for example, I just kind of come in mind. Is it possible? Yeah, and free users just will be able just to see feature requests. There should be, you know what we need? We need enable, disable that new feature button. Save button now. Secondary colon, add button. WishKit. Oh, that is theme. Button padding, config, add button. Let's see. Let me check one thing quickly. So, that could be in config, maybe. WishKit, no. Add button is, let's say, hidden, something like that will work. What we have here, autocomplete, bottom button, text color. Yeah. Yeah, probably there is no option to show and hide. Yeah, I do not see that it is possible. I see, for example, this add button configuration. Let me explain what I'm thinking about that. I see bottom padding and text color, and that's it. Do I have hidden, something like that? How we do with buttons? Is hidden, is disabled, is enabled? How do you do for buttons? Enable, disable. Yeah, Martin, I agree with your point that it's kind of allowed to kind of submit new features to everyone, but that also could be another kind of selling point, you know, that you can kind of show pop-up screen when basically free user kind of clicking on the button, and you can show pop-up screen and say, sorry, that is just for paying customers. Give me money, please. Something like that, you know. That could be cool for developers. That's kind of, I think, relatively, I don't know. Okay, that's product management kind of speaking. Everything is easy, right? Just add another kind of variable or what else not. But I think custom messages, callbacks on buttons could be really nice to have them. For example, currently we have some default text for thank you for submitting feature, what else not, when you click that save button. That could be cool to be able to set up a message for that. Maybe it is already configurable. I didn't took a look in that, but I didn't saw that in documentation. And yeah, and also kind of on that add button, some kind of callback could be cool, you know. These your users, you can vote on other ideas, but your idea is worth nothing until you pay. Exactly, yeah. Yes, allow to vote, but not to create. Yeah, I don't know. It's you can. The problem is that okay, that's not a problem, but there is no kind of here, for example, I have that screen, right? That's super cool that you have everything out of the box, but here is no way to kind of indicate that paying customer opinions are kind of more important. You can show that, probably you can show that how much money each feature generates. If I understand that correctly, you are able to show that on that feature. But that really doesn't matter. I don't want to show any money here. But I would like to let users know that paying customers' votes are more important. But I can't add that as info here because that's okay. I can add some overlay or what else, not here, but I could add here, on header, whatever. But that doesn't matter. I could, but generally there is no way to show that there is no provided tools to show that. I could do that, for example, if that adding new feature is disabled. I can show a message then, oh, only paying customers can do that. Or on voting, also we have here, you can vote only once. Something similar, if you will be able to at least show your custom alerts, then you can show whatever information you would like to show. For example, here, when you vote, you can say, thank you. Basically, as a paying customer, your vote has more power. Or if for free customers, I don't know. Free customers we don't matter. We don't care about your vote, actually. I don't know. That's just kind of, I don't know what is good way to implement that. That is just basically just thinking aloud, probably, yeah. You should request those SDK changes through WishKit. Yeah, it is actually. There is that. I actually already submitted feature request. What I've submitted, I voted on a referral program and I submitted comment moderation because otherwise I'm not showing comments. It's kind of no-go for me. Yeah, I'm just thinking I could write it down, but I don't know yet what is the best approach for that yet. Probably custom possibility to handle that plus button. So that I think the easiest way to show that paying users' opinion is more important. That could be just on this plus button. If it is paying customer, adding new feature, and if it is not paying customer, then I can provide text for pop-up, for alert. I will write it as a request. How to write it? Probably Martin will understand what I'm writing. I'm just thinking how to write it to other users to be kind of easy to understand and vote if they like. How it is named? Add button? It is add button, right? Add button, yeah. Okay. Add button. Configuration. Disable with message disable add button, add wish probably. Add wish, no, disable add wish button, what the hell, and probably I should go to sleep. Add wish button, I would like to disable add wish button for non-paying customers. For non-paying customers. Use case. Current, well, no change, okay. Free. Adding screen alert. Alert. Vote probably for, not on, whatever, I don't know. I will not fight with grammar tonight. Okay, there. Okay, something like that. Because free users are abusers. M1 Pro is better than M2 Air. Really? I don't think so. If that was a question, I don't agree. I think that if that was a question, M1 Pro, if you are talking about 13-inch M1 Pro, do not buy that machine. Please don't. Get M2 Air. That's nice new design. You will, I don't know what you should do to run into the problems with overheating. If you're running into problems with overheating just doing programming work, please show me that project. I will be very interesting to see that. If you are doing some, I don't know, 3D modeling, rendering, super heavy video project editing, maybe, but I don't know. You will kill that M1 Pro anyways with that task. I sent DM on Twitter, so the premium plan. Yeah. Okay, I think I added all that I wanted. So actually I will ship this feature. I will wait for that fix, but I actually like how it looks here. in the settings. Actually, that's probably the right place to have it. I don't know, the settings screen, everything is kind of questionable, but don't judge that. That's just, I don't know. And I have 2 calendars now in the application. That's, again, this screen is work in progress. It looks kind of messy. I will hide this one to ship that WishKit implementation. And that's probably about it. Yeah, great product, like it. Okay. I think that's enough for programming for tonight. And it is night, it is midnight already. If you have anything, okay, I will say we are done with this WishKit implementation. That was really easier than I expected. I didn't expect it will be hard, but it is even much easier than I expected. And you know, I will probably implement that in my freediving application as well. I will not do that today on Rush because there is no need to rush, and I'm not sure if I want to give possibility to everyone to add those features. That's kind of thing what I'm thinking about. Because if you have an application with a relatively big user base, for my freediving application, I'm not saying it's big application, but there are, I don't know, few thousand of active users, and few it is more like closer to 10 than closer to 1,000, let's say. So if, I don't know, if 5% of users will write wishes in the application, that will be shitload of feature requests. I'm just not sure that I want to hear from all the free users. And then there will be plenty of kind of feature requests which will be kind of duplication, similar, and so on. I will need to edit all that stuff, you know. So yeah. Thanks for the stream. Oh, great. I was really happy to help. I'm happy to see that you build products like that. I think it's really great for indie devs, and I think that's an amazing product today, and happy to see that you are kind of keep working on that. And it was my pleasure, yeah, if that will generate a few customers for you, I will be happy to help. Okay, I will kill YouTube stream because I think that we are done for streaming today. Kick stream is also kind of, everyone is going to sleep already. We have 8 people on Kick stream. YouTube stream is a little bit more active, 20 people still watching. So if you have any questions, we can kind of discuss a little bit about anything programming related, but I'm done with this WishKit. I'm not opening that anymore today. Will I do any stream on weekend? Probably not, but probably I will. As soon as I will get update for that WishKit, I will fine-tune my project with all the other things. I need to spend one more day on my Habit application to hide those 2 calendars, all that stuff. And I will release update for that. But I probably will add that to my freediving application. I'm just not sure about... I know. Actually, I know. I can get around that configurable plus button. I just will not allow the free users to click on that button, which opens wishes. So they will not be able to even vote on them. That kind of... But that will be like a soft launching for the feature. Actually, yeah, I can implement that for freediving application as well. So we'll do that then on weekend, or I don't know, on next live stream. We'll see. Basically, after this implementation, that is even easier. You should stream on weekends. No, my wife is coming back from... My wife was for a week in business trip in Tallinn. Basically, she was on US Homeland Security training for cybersecurity for a week. And yeah, she's coming back tomorrow. So I will spend weekend with wife. Riga is ahead of Warsaw for 1 hour. Yeah. I didn't know that. Really? Interesting. Yeah, that's also kind of good feature, good idea. I could kind of add some overlay for that view, some with Z-Stack, stuff like that, yeah. Yeah. I think that could be cool to show those features, even without even if I will not, but even if I will not allow voting or anything, it could be, I don't know. Yeah, configuration on that button will be great, yeah. But I think I could actually, let's open that freediving project. So I'm not going to add that now at night, but basically I already have some amount of buttons just disabled. Okay, let's go settings, settings view. So preview, let's go. Can we get preview, please? Okay, that will take time. Or you can put the invisible button overlay only over the add button. Yes, that could work as well. She's getting security clearance. I don't know what is clearance. Training. I had to refresh screen, didn't catch. Yeah, I don't know what is meaning of security clearance. But she's on training and getting some certificate by the end of training, and what else not. And there are instructors from US talking about computer stuff, you know. Yeah, actually I could review that settings screen next time when I will be here. Yeah, I see. Currently I have just, for example, button. So, for example, background audio, what else not, is disabled if user is not subscriber. Like top secret. I don't know meaning of word clearance. Sorry, my English is on level of 2nd grade. Okay, I will do that in Google Translate. Security clearance. What does that mean? Yeah, but no, that's training. She has security clearance here in Latvia because you have to have security clearance in different levels and to work with specific documents and what else not. I don't know. If you are working in government, you have also kind of some security clearance to work with government secrets. And basically, yeah, sure, he have, and he is getting that security clearance check after some period. I don't know, every year, or there is more than year period in between them. Yeah, she had it. but that was not reason for training. She's working in cybercrime, and basically that was training related to that. Oh, it's so long. It takes so long. Basically, I just will be able to, for now, just to add button and disable it for non-paying customers. And okay, here it is. Now I have preview. So in this application, I have just few settings for free, for available for everyone, and then I have section kind of pro settings. And yeah, you can enable, disable all that stuff, and basically premium functionality is available only for pro users. That's the thing. SwiftUI or UIKit for current job market. I would, if you starting from zero, learning now, let me say so. UIKit is still presented and will be presented in the market for a while. And if you have UIKit skills, it is easier to get job today. But the SwiftUI is getting stronger and stronger every day, and UIKit requirement is kind of getting less and less important also. If you are looking on job kind of postings in the market, then you will see, oh, actually I just noticed that my plus button is orange, like getting that theme from the app. That's correct. Nice. If you are looking on job offers, then you will see UIKit all around as a request. But keep in mind that currently where I am working on freelance projects, then in job request was Objective-C as well, and I still have Objective-C in my agreement with this company. Even I didn't write any code in Objective-C for years. So quite often those job requirements are just kind of copy-paste what HR just copy-pasting it for years and posting on kind of job postings. And that's not exactly what you will do in real life. So I will say, if you see that there is UIKit requested, apply anyways. Probably you know at least a little bit UIKit, and then you can say that, okay, I'm very strong in SwiftUI and know a bit UIKit, can kind of get around with it and something like that. Yeah, exactly. Like Martin says, it's almost never only SwiftUI. Yeah. Job market looks for UIKit and UIKit and SwiftUI and never only SwiftUI. Yeah, if you are looking for a job next year, I'd say UIKit first, 1-2 apps, then one app in SwiftUI. Yeah, that also kind of depends on what kind of market are you looking. But if it is more or less big company, then definitely that application is in the market for a few years already, and there is shitload of UIKit code, and that UIKit code will be supported for many years ahead. So you will need to have this UIKit. I feel a little bit sorry for those guys who are getting jobs today, because it is kind of hard. You have to know UIKit, and you would like to learn SwiftUI and Swift. Yeah, and both are already kind of requested to know. It's hard, relatively hard already, yeah. Okay, I will wrap up the stream. Probably I will go to sleep to get up early tomorrow to drive to airport. So thank you everyone for coming, and this video will stay as posted on YouTube. So if someone didn't see something on beginning, just go over, watch from beginning. Oh, Yekaterina, Labvakar, hello. Yes, I did stream, yeah. Did you get notification It's kind of weird that YouTube sometimes do not send those notifications. Enable all the bells. Yeah, we already wrapping up. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Martin, for nice, great feature. I really like it. We'll keep using it in all the applications. Love it. We'll see. Those who just come to the YouTube stream, wait a second and start to watch again from beginning. That video will be posted as a recorded video in a moment. Okay, where is my stop stream buttons? Found it. So when next stream, on weekend I will not stream, so probably, yeah, I don't know about regular co-working streams because next week is school holidays and my daughter will stay at home. I don't know how convenient it will be for streaming, so I don't know. Sorry. Those who are on Discord, usually there are stream notifications in Discord. Okay, wrapping up stream on YouTube. See you. Bye-bye.